Hi, this is Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a runic stave for magical protection. This stave was designed and created by a user with a nickname Wolf. Later in the video I will also explain how to use it and how to activate it. This graphical magic construct is from my personal collection of powerful rune formulas and runic staves. I have gathered hundreds of powerful magical symbols. Those were created in the history of humanity. These magical symbols are amulets created for practical reasons like attracting money, health, love, but also for mystical purposes, for example protection from black magic, learning to astral project, and even developing your intuition and clairvoyance. All that is available to you right now. All the links are in the description of the video. Now let's dive deep into this stave and see from what runes is it created from. It has 3 rows of runes. Each row represents a different kind of protection. The first row represents the energetic protection. The rune Tevas represents a strong willpower and your ability to control and direct your energy. The runes Thurisas on the sides protect your energy from any outer attacks like energy vampires or anything of that kind. The second row is a protection of your subconsciousness. It's the same as a astral protection. It consists out of runes Evas, Algis, Isa. The rune Evas represents your subconsciousness, the animal and instinctual nature of your body. The rune Algis is the divine protection, divine support and also increased energy. And the rune Isa is like an ice shield that blocks, that freezes off and blocks and stops any kinds of attacks. Those might be directed on your subconsciousness. The third row is a magical protection. The rune Eivas represents any kind of a magical transformation that might be some kind of magic directed at you. The rune Algis invokes the divine forces, divine support and divine energy into your soul. And the rune Isa freezes off, blocks and stops any kinds of attacks onto you. So together these 3 rows of runes provide a very good, strong protection from almost everything. And it is very light to use, so anyone can use it, meaning that it doesn't have a big energy requirement like some of the more complicated protection staves. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, get my free runes PDF guide. It has the meanings of all runes, some rune formulas, divination spreads, and also an example of how you can use and activate the runes with a simple ritual. A word of warning: before activating a runic stave or any magical construct at all, it would be wise to check that it will be safe for you and that it will work as expected. To do that, you can use any divination tool that you know, tarot, pendulum, runes or any other. If you don't know how to do that, you can learn it on my course. To activate this runic stave, you can draw it on a piece of paper or also you can print it out. Then you trace it with a pen or a marker and name each rune and what it does. Then you say an incantation. After that you put a candle on top of the paper, light the candle and let it burn down completely. For this stave you can use the next incantation. By the power of these runes I will be protected from all kinds of energetic attacks, from all kinds of astral attacks and from all kinds of magical attacks. This rune stave works in the most safest way possible for me, so be it. For a stronger ritual of activation that invokes the 4 elements, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. This is a value-packed video course with years of my experience condensed into a short video that will enable you to work with the runes in a safe and efficient way very quickly. Bypassing mistakes that beginners often do, those prevent the runes from working at all.